So for this voiceover, if you hear a sound, it's because the fan is on. I have the fan directly on me. I know it's supposed to be Christmas, but Christmas in Jamaica is quite warm, except like at night time and like when rain fall. But it is warm. So this product is a concealer, and I actually got it from Vivian's Beauty Supply here in Portmore. And I'll be doing like a full face, but not unedited, because as you can tell, it's like 10 minutes long. But yeah, so for my brows, I actually used a red lip liner from LA Girl, and for the life of no, it's from NYX. Well, it's a long pencil and it's a red lip liner. And boy, I don't even know it name, because I've used the pencil so much it reached like to the knob, the short part, and there's no name. So as you guys, I don't know if you're new to my channel. If you are, hi, hello, please subscribe. But I'm the type that loves the halo brow look, but for some reason I tried it without the halo brow look, and I like my brows without the halo brow. I mean, for some looks it works. For the halo brow, like for this look, I wish I had done the halo brow. So it's just for me to know when to do and when not to do the halo brow. This is a godsend. This LA Pro primer, they have it in nude, white, and black. I went to Vivian's Beauty Supply to get all three. They only had black, so I bought 3 blacks and 1 nude. And this is the nude that I bought. So I started blending it out with my brush, and then I went ahead and blended it out using my fingers. Then I'm gonna go with my Ari palette from Yardie Cosmetics, Santana. Mama, big up yourself, girl. Good clean things that have goods. Clean things for the Merry Christmas. Clean things and my blood cleanse Christmas goods, yeah. Correct. And this is all I use for my eyes, guys. This one palette is their Ari palette, which means it's playing more off of our Rastafarian culture that we have here in Jamaica. So these are the Rasta colors, we call them in Jamaica. So like gold, green, red, and black. In Jamaica, we call them the Rasta colors. So this palette though embodies Christmas. This is legitimately a Christmas palette. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry this upload is going up so late today. It's actually the 23rd, and I'm uploading this video for the 23rd. Then I have 3 more videos I need to edit and upload today and stagger them through the rest of the week. And then after that, I'm stunned. I don't know what else to do. Oh my god. I've been trying to get people to come to my house to do the makeup, so they just don't see my full face for like 31 days. But hey, it is what it is. What else may I say? Oh yeah, so everything I use obviously is from the palette. Yardie Cosmetics, a Jamaican owned brand. Yes, Santana, good clean Jamaican catty. Yeah, girl, dating goods. If you have not subscribed to my channel, as I said before, please go ahead and subscribe. For the month of December, I'm doing Vlogmas differently. For Vlogmas, I am doing a makeup look every single day. So that's 31 days of selection. Now today on the 23rd, you have gotten a double upload. That's because I tell you guys that when I work with hair companies, I have to upload their videos at a certain time. So some days you're going to get a double upload. So that's the case with this right here. And I wanted to do a red and green look, because it's like Christmas colors, red and green and Christmas color. Somebody wanted that type of look. This man said, alright then, good. Boom. Do the red, do the brow them red, and then we could go so do the eye them green, mama. You that clear, gone through. So this day though, I actually did deliveries with Christmas Cakes JA. They're on Instagram, and if you follow me on Instagram, I've tagged them, so you know exactly who I'm referring to. And I am just, oh my god, I'm so blessed to be working with so much like Jamaican entrepreneurs. This is just, it's amazing. It's amazing, and I can't wait for next year to deliver with them again. I really hope this becomes something annual, you know, where you order your cakes and stuff and then they deliver it. I'm hoping it becomes annual, because I really enjoyed myself. Pigmentation of these palettes. These palettes aren't new to me, honey. I've been using them. Oh, fun fact, you see them lip gloss? Oh, this is the color Namibia, and this is my face color, but I use this as like a primer of sorts. Then I go in with Tanzania. It's 205, number 205 in their other their first foundation. It's actually my favorite one, so I use both of them. So the stick foundation is more of like a primer, then the liquid foundation is my actual foundation. Yeah, so I forgot what I was saying, but yeah, I really hope this Christmas Cakes JA thing becomes an annual thing, because I met so many of you guys, and it was just amazing to just, you know, go around with Jimbe and, you know, deliver Christmas cakes. So I had fun on this day. What is now? This is called, holy crap, it's not Guinea, Oh my god. I don't remember the name of this foundation, you guys. I'm sorry. Please don't hate me. And I won't hate you. Oh my god. But again, I'm going to use this as like a base type primer of sorts. And I'm going to go into number 11. The concealer. I'm telling you, I think for Juvia's Place, it's either first foundations and concealers or bomb. Like, bomb. You know, I appreciate the stick because, you know, whatever. But the first ones are bomb, honey. Like, I don't mind using those. Oh, and by the way, I'm filming with my Sony A5100. It's actually my vlogging camera. And I'm filming in a new location. Let me know what you think. If I like this location, then I'll be bringing in elements from the other location. So, you know, I'll just bring my pillows back in and stuff like that. Build my little faux background backsplash thing. So let me know what you think about this. I personally like it. You know, it's just, you just see me. You know, so it's reminiscent of old time YouTube. I'm actually a fan of when it's like a lifestyle background. So it's like images, pictures, you know, stuff like that to keep your eyes dancing. Oh my god, Jordana warm cocoa. Girl, some go, I'm telling you what, story time. Some go, Vivian beauty supply, I say, good, how much for the Sasha butter, how much for the Sasha press powder? She said, must say 50. I said, how much for the loose? She said, 15, probably $60. I said, good, give me the loose. And then I look on the loose, and I said, let's cleanse 15 bills for one. So I said, I can buy two, something, because I don't want to buy other one, someone else. Some go to ropes, but buy the two. I put it on, and I say, oh, you know, the first time I see the video, I say, yeah, girl, nice, good, clean things. But it does not photograph well. It photographs quite light. And unfortunately, warm cocoa had the darkest color they ever had a press body. I don't know what I'm at. In the world of Fenty, you can't make that be a darkest good in. It's not correct. So this is the LA Pro Primer in black. I tell them buy two of them, buy 3 black, 1 nude. So that black here, I'm going to buy it. Then I blend it out. As I'm done blend it out, I'm going to take in green again from a nice, good, clean eye palette. From nice, good, clean Yardie Cosmetics. Nice, good, clean things. And this is what... Oh, and then I put the nude right there, so then I'm going to mix colors. I'm going to put in that green there, ropes. Then I'm going to put in that yellow there again, ropes, boops, for make it just pop up someone. That we're going to delete. That we are doing at 2019, you know what I mean? Because a little bit tight left. One glove at tubes at 2019 leave, and at this we are doing at look there. The blood cleanse. You can tell me nothing. Look at all the lashes. Oh, girl. No, it's too hype. You need for humble, but where humility going? You can't look so humble. You know what I mean? If you look so you have for hype. So now I use this already. I'm going to tell you now. Gabriella's Cosmetics is actually an eyeshadow palette. But I've been using it for glow, and I love it. The only thing is, man, like, damn, like, it gets all over the place, honey, for glow. So I just, whenever they say eyeshadow palette, just use it for an eyeshadow palette. You know what I mean? Don't go venturing and experiment like what I'll do. Ooh, look at me looking at my Yardie Cosmetics Chips collection. Which one am I gonna wear? Which one? Make it I wear chocolate at the baddest thing. I love this look. Oh my god, you guys, thank you so much for watching my crazy weird voiceover. Big up on yourself, subscribe, tell everybody about me. 2020, I will use 2020. It's a little slap way. We're gonna walk in bold and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Toodles, bye bye. Subscribe, yeah. Subscribe. Oh, and check out the Yardie Cosmetics as well. They're on Instagram and yardiecosmetics.com. Okie dokie. Bye, guys.